Hello everybody, today we make chicken Milanese. Okay, now we gotta start with eggs first. I put salt and black pepper and we scramble the eggs nice. And I put a little water inside, not too much, like maybe 2 tablespoons water. And make sure to scramble really good the eggs. Okay, now we start with the chicken. And we put flour. Now the chicken, I was pined really good. Look, everybody can see. Okay. Eggs. A breadcrumb. Plain breadcrumb, I put a fresh parsley. And we put right over here on this dish, just like that. All the chicken, we do the same. Okay, now we start to put the gas on. We use oil. To start the oil, and we put after a little butter. And when I cook, to give a good taste, I got 1 garlic, I split in half. And we put it right over here in oil. And now when the garlic start to dance, I start to put the chicken. And the oil is hot now. And we lower the gas a little bit. We put on medium. And let's start with the chicken now. Alright. And we got the last piece. Move out the garlic. And the garlic, I don't throw away the garlic. Because for me, it's the flavor. It's the best one I can eat. I eat the garlic every single day. And the garlic is really good for you. Okay, now you cook a little bit. And I like to put 1 piece of butter right over here in the middle. Because the butter gives a nice, beautiful color for the chicken. And we do like this, you see? All over the place. There you go. And we leave the butter inside. Like that. Now the chicken, let's see what it look like now 1 piece. No, yeah, I want this to be nice, beautiful gold color. Okay, now it's a time we turn to the other side. And let's see this one, what it look like. It look beautiful. And we put another piece of butter, the butter needed for the other side of the chicken. And we do the same way like I did the other one. Alright, let's bring the chicken on the table. And now it's a time I want to taste my beautiful chicken alla Milanese. It look beautiful. Nice color, beautiful. Okay, first thing. See how nice? Huh? Beautiful. Hot. Chin chin. Salute. Oh, the wine and the chicken, it's really